Bob the Bird by Andrew McDonough. One day, Bob the Bird went to visit his friends. First, he flew to the farm to see Kevin the quail. "Come and see the farmer," said Kevin. "You won't believe it. He has sown his crop, but every day he worries. What if it doesn't rain? What if the plants don't grow? What if I don't have enough food for my family? Poor fellow. Doesn't he have a father in heaven, like the one who cares for birds?" Bob said goodbye to Kevin and flew to town to see Penelope, the pigeon. "Come and see the butcher," said Penelope. "You won't believe it. He says his sausages are all beef, but I've seen him fill them. They're half sawdust. Every day he worries. If I don't cut corners, I'll go broke. If I go broke, I'll lose my shop. If I lose my shop, I'll lose my reputation as a respectable businessman. Poor fellow! Doesn't he have a father in heaven, like the one who cares for birds?" It was getting late, so Bob said goodbye to Penelope and flew off to visit his old friend, Ozzy the owl. "Come and look at this," said Ozzy. "You won't believe it. She does an honest day's work, then stays up every night worrying. What if prices go up? What if my wages go down? What if I fall asleep and someone steals my money? Doesn't she have a father in heaven, like the one who cares for birds?" The next day, Bob saw a crowd of worried people. He felt sad because they didn't seem to have a father in heaven who cared for them. But in the middle of the crowd was one man who looked happy. "Don't worry about your life," he said. "Don't worry about having something to eat or wear. Life is more than food and clothes. Look at the birds in the sky. They don't plant or harvest. They don't even store grain in barns. Yet, your Father in heaven feeds them." Hooray! The people do have a Father in heaven who cares for them. If only they would believe it.